Welcome. In front of me I have DOOGEE S96 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable or disable NFC model in this smartphone. So we have to simply open notification bar and you will find NFC icon right here. In my case it's in this place. So to activate, just tap on it once, just like that. Take a look, as you can see it's activated. When you want to turn it off, just make it gray again. And it's very simple. You can also find this option here on the settings when you tap on the search for NFC, and here it is on the hotspot and the tethering. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and of course subscribe to our channel.